I'm going to install a stainless steel sculpture. So first thing I'm doing is I'm going to anchor this. This thing's maybe 8 or 9 feet tall, and it's about a square foot or less around the base. Like I say, it's a sculpture. Now, first thing I'm doing is I'm installing anchors. These are galvanized, some people call them 10-inch, 12-inch. They're galvanized anchors, very similar to what I use if I'm building a garage or a footing on a foundation, same thing. Now, I'm trying to angle these so they're turned in, or more so, like that. And I'm lowering it down a little bit. So there's several ways to do these. I'm locking mine in with a lock nut, kind of not a lock washer, but a washer. And that's not what I want there, but just about. So I just tighten it a little bit. Tighten it. And I'm set. Other than it's going to take 2 people to move it. I'm ready to move it now. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that and install it down here. Now, I brought with me I think everything I need. I brought 6 bags of concrete, 80-pounders. Today, I brought my own water. I don't know if these people have water here or not. And I got some shoring blocks. So here, I got my own water. I gotta get down there, but this is where I'm putting it, where that wheelbarrow's at. Let's see if I can get down here. Show you. There. Okay, and that's what I'm doing. I'm going to bring it down here and install it, put it in here in concrete. Yeah, today, I tie it up, just takes off. Concrete now. There's several ways to do it. I'm going to mix some of it in the wheelbarrow, and I'm going to set the sleeve in concrete. Well, that's the easy part down here. Here's what I got. I got a frame, but that's not important right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pour water in there, and I already have 1 bag of concrete in here. Now, you say, how is he going to mix that? Well, there's 10 ways to mix it. One way is with this. So I'm at the bottom of the hole. There wasn't much concrete in there. But I'm going to just keep adding and doing some of my mixing in there. Now, you see here I got some on the sides here. I have some of my bag in there. Okay, let me see what I actually have for concrete. Let me pull a sample up. That's too watery. Yeah, it's well mixed. can't see much of it, but I guess I'll show you what I got. Right there. Hey, add some more. Got a broken bag, so might as well put that in there. Don't be afraid to get dirty. If you think you're doing construction, you're not dirty. You're not doing anything.
You guys want me to...
I still hear plenty of water in there.
Yeah, in a second.
Cool.
Woo woo, woo woo, I'm done. Oh well. Another job well done. I love working. I forgot what it's like to work for a living. Another job well done. We'll take a look at it from up on the mountain here. Well, beautiful. Nice to have stainless steel in amongst a couple of acres of nature out here. Thanks for watching.